Okay, Doctor here at Calgary Comic Con, and I'm here to take over the con. There's nobody here that can top this boy. Yeah. What?
You think so?
Ernest Stravo Blofeld?
That is correct.
The doctor has modeled his career after Mr. Blofeld, Dr. Blofeld. Wow, it's such... I'm geeking out right now. It's my freaking idol, my hero.
But I will admit that for Comte de Bleuchamp, your earlobes are better than mine.
No, they are sexy earlobes, yeah. You know, massage and stuff. Wow, so nice little kitty cats.
Yes.
Wow. So what brings you to Calgary Comic Expo?
My wife.
Your wife? Yeah, she's here?
Yes, she is.
Wow. Doctor would like to meet her. Is she a fembot?
Not quite, no. No. She just has family here.
Kitty, hello.
That actually runs the booth.
Really?
Yeah, you see?
Okay. Doll Quest and Toy Treasures. The doctor will go investigate, yeah.
That is correct.
Right, Dr. Stevel here, and of course Dr. Evil. I modeled after Dr. Evil, who's modeled after Blofeld. Yeah, for all you people who've never watched James Bond. So how is that Bond problem coming along?
For now, I'm still looking for him here. I have not met any James Bond.
How about I cut you a deal? You take care of my problem, Austin Powers, and I'll take care of your problem, James Bond.
I see.
Okay?
Yeah.
Can we do that?
Well, think about that.
Yeah.
But what you should do is go meet Famke
Famke.
Janssen, who's signing autographs on the other side. Miss on the top herself.
Miss on the top. Is she going to be on the top?
That will be your call, not mine.
Things just got weird, Daddy. I mean...